Hello everyone, this is Zaida Gholami from Agrimet Research Company, and in today's video I have an interesting function to present to you, which is subtotal function in Excel. So subtotal is used when you want to filter out some of the rows in your Excel worksheet and you want to do some calculations on that filtered cells, and you do not want to include the filtered cells. So as you may know, when you go for data and then filter your data, and when you select, let's say, one of them to filter out your rows, then if I want now to, let's say, sum these data, and I just want to sum the data that I can see right now, it gets me a wrong value. It's actually the sum of all data between B2 to B10. It does not include only these data. It includes the hidden data also, the filtered out data. Okay, so the solver of this problem is in subtotal function hands. So you will put an equal mark, subtotal, and then you can see the function shows up. Double click on that, and then you can see a list of functions. So now if I want to sum up the numbers, I will go for the function number 9. So I click on that, and then I want to select my selection. So that's it. I close the parentheses, and that's the right answer, where the wrong one is the normal sum. So that's wrong and that's right. Okay, so we can do it for all other things. So I want to see the maximum number of this selection, which is number 6. Okay, or I want to see what is the variance, the sample variance of this selection. It gets me 6.2. Whether in here I can have variance sample of this selection, which gives me 3.4. It's a lot of difference. Okay, so there are little tips in here. You could see probably when I was using the function, maybe you have seen, subtotal. Maybe you have seen that I have from 1 to 11 functions, and then it starts from 101 to 111. So what are these? What are these functions actually repeating? What's that? That's because the functions from 1 to 11, when you filter out your rows manually, so you know that in Excel we can hide our cells manually. So I'm now hiding some of them. Okay, I'm hiding them. So it's not hiding right now. I should right click and press hide. Later on I will do it, but I just wanted to show you how do they look like when you hide the cells manually. You can see that it doesn't have any pattern. You just hide them manually with the filtering option, and that's it. When you hide them, these functions from 1 to 11 still include the manually hidden rows. So if you want to not include the hidden rows and you want just the function to calculate only the visible cells, then the from 1 to 11 functions gets you the wrong result. You should use from 101 to 111 functions. So I will now check it out to see what I mean. So let's say I want to use from 1 to 11 functions for manually hidden rows, which gives me the wrong result, and it includes the hidden ones. So let's say what it has to tell me. So I want the sum of these rows, and it should get me 11, okay? But you can see it gets me 26. And now I will hide them, because when you close them like this, it does not count it as hiding, okay? So you should hide it. I will hide this one and this one to have only, what was it? It was from B2 to B7, so I will hide also this one. Okay, now I will use subtotal, and I will use the right function 109, which does not include the hidden rows. Then I get from this one. Now it will get me the right result. 5 plus 6 gets me 11, and it's giving me 11. So that was the point. From 1 to 11 functions in here do not they still include the hidden functions. They still include the manually hidden rows, but from 101 to 111 do not include them, and you can use them and you can use these functions for right results. Okay, so that's what you can use subtotal for. It's so much usable and so much useful when you're working with large data sets and you're working with all these filters and etc. And maybe if you know that something like this function exists, then your work will be so much easier and simpler, and you can use it and enjoy it. So I guess that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed. I hope you have learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next videos, and bye.